Hello internet world, and welcome to my review of the Ring Spotlight Cam Solar. Now this is a security camera with a spotlight built into it. It's completely wireless and it consists of the Ring Spotlight Cam battery, which is what I've got here, and the Ring solar panel. Now I'm going to show you each of these components separately within this video, but if you want to check out exactly what you get inside the boxes, then please do check out my unboxing. There's a link down in the video description area. So let's move the Ring Spotlight Cam just to one side momentarily. I want to show you another device that Ring sent me. This will not be covered in this particular video, but this is the Ring Chime Pro. It's a Wi-Fi extender and chime for your Ring devices. Now, if you want to see my updates about this, please do follow me on Twitter. I'm at Geekanoids, and I'll be just covering exactly what this does and whether it's improved my experience with the Ring products, which is going to be very hard to do because I'm already very, very impressed. Now, moving back to the Ring Spotlight Cam battery. This runs off of batteries, but you can keep it topped up with the solar panel. It's got room inside for 2 batteries. I've already got 1 inside already. I want to show you the quick release battery pack that Ring manufacture. This is what the product packaging looks like. This is what the battery itself looks like. It's a quick release battery. It works with their other products as well, but you can actually put 2 in here to extend the battery life. So if you were just buying the Ring Spotlight Cam and not the solar panel, putting 2 batteries in would extend the runtime. It does have the contacts for whatever device you're using it with, and it also has a micro USB socket for charging this via USB, and you get a little tiny USB charging cable inside the box. Now, to keep this topped up, as I said, you can either take the batteries out and recharge them from time to time, or you can install the solar panel, which is part of the Ring Spotlight Cam solar kit. This is a really nice solar panel. Obviously it's weatherproof because it's designed to go outside. It's got a captive cable on the back, and this plugs in to the solar cam or the spotlight cam, and it's also a waterproof connection there as well, and it keeps those batteries topped up so you don't have to worry about taking the batteries out to recharge them. I found that this has been working extremely well, even with minimal sunlight. It seems to keep the Ring Spotlight Cam topped up very nicely indeed. So let's move that to one side and have a look at the sort of star of the show, which is of course the Ring Spotlight Cam battery, or part of the solar kit as well, as we just discussed. You can use this as a battery camera, completely wireless, or you can wire in that solar panel to keep it topped up. We've got the optic on the front here, the lens. We've also got microphone and speaker because this offers 2-way video, so you can actually talk through the camera, and it captures 1080p HD video. It's motion activated, so it detects motion, and it can either activate the spotlights or not, and it will record video and store that in the cloud. If we look on the top here, we've got a connection button just here, which you use during setup. If we look around the back here, we've got the mount, which you're going to use with the supplied wall mount that's inside the box. And then we've got the quick release battery compartment just here. I'm not going to open that in this video. You'll have to watch the unboxing to see underneath that cover. We've also got at the bottom here the motion detection, and then these are the spotlights either side. So here we go, let's take a look at the app. Here you can see the live view from the camera. If I wave my hand up here, you can see we've got a live view of what the Ring Spotlight Cam is seeing. Very little delay as well, which is really extremely impressive. And here we can also access the talk function, the 2-way audio, so we can talk to somebody that's standing in front of the camera. If we go back round into portrait mode, we can access the settings, and it's here you've got control over the camera and how it's set up. So we've got event history, motion snooze, link chimes, device health, device settings, help content, and shared users. If we go into device settings, it's here you can set up the various motion zones, the light settings, video settings, notification, general, and partners. If we go into video settings, for example, here we can turn on HDR and live view. We can toggle these on and off. If we go back one step, we can also turn the lights on. Just look at how bright those spotlights are. Very, very impressive light output from these. I'm really impressed. And you'll also have noticed that whilst we were doing that particular test, when I put the phone up here, I obviously went in front of the motion sensor and it gave me an alert on my smartphone, and it does that almost instantaneously, so very quick at sending alerts from the camera through to the phone. It also records very good quality video. I'm going to show you some on the screen now, and you can see that the 1080p HD video is top notch, and even the audio picked up alongside the video is extremely impressive as well. Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. This is both the video and audio quality of the Ring Spotlight Cam. I think it looks pretty good. More often than not, the audio is the lacking part with these security cameras, but I think the Ring Spotlight Cam delivers great quality audio alongside really crisp video. I'm really impressed by the video quality captured by this, and the fact that we got the actual spotlights down either side means that even at night time you're getting good quality full colour footage. Very, very impressive indeed. Moving back to the whole combination of this sort of ecosystem, I'm impressed by the Ring video doorbells that they produce, and the Spotlight Cam is no different. It integrates very nicely into a very well designed app, and I think as a wireless security system, using something like this on the rear of your property in combination with one of the Ring video doorbells is a superb and very useful combination. If you want to protect your property, have some peace of mind that you can see what's going on outside, and when somebody comes to your front door, then I can certainly highly recommend you pick up a Ring video doorbell, and to complement it, a Ring Spotlight Cam Solar. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, you can actually use this product just as a battery camera. Now, I've found, and this is just my personal opinion, that when you have battery cameras, they're great until they need charging. When they need charging, it can become a bit of just like another chore that you might put off for an extra day before you whip the battery out to recharge it. So I really recommend you picking up one of the Ring solar panels as well. I showed you this earlier in the video, and it just allows you to keep the batteries topped up in your Ring Spotlight Cam. I think this is a really useful and affordable additional item to add on to your kit. I think it's well worth picking one of these up. So that is it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please do let me know what you thought of the video quality and the product overall. Let me know what your favourite feature is down in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. I've left links to where you can pick this up down in the video description, and also a link to the Ring website. Thank you very much to Ring for making this video possible. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you in another video very soon.